Hi guys, with another video. So previous video I showed this helmet that it was strong and HJC helmet. I wasn't able to take it out the inside. Now after that I took very hardly and I worked so hard to take it out. As you see, this is the material inside. Like this. This is the inside. Like this. This is all nice. Empty inside. But this plastic so strong. I just want to show you that this part too. I took it. It takes me so long to take it out. But I would like to make a video that shows you guys. This is it. This is the one. What is the inside? Yeah. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. I would like to show you again inside of this helmet. There you are. This is the inside. As you see. Right. And this is the material they used it. Right here. So, okay guys, that's it. I used the hammer to break this one, and this tool I used it to take it out from inside. Yeah. So I'm gonna put the trash now. All this. Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.